I'm sometimes given PowerPoint presentations, and I see sometimes people add text boxes over top of shapes to add text in. Well, there's a much easier way. Okay, so I have an example here where we have a couple of shapes, but somebody's put a text box, and you can resize the text box, but it means that when you go through and move the shape, the text isn't with it, right? So what you do instead is you have a shape. Doesn't matter which shape it is. I just used insert shapes for this one, and I changed the color, but you just select it and then you start typing. So I'm going to just put step 3. There we go. Step 4. Whoops. 4, etc. And you can have all sorts. I'm just going to get rid of that there. Ugh. There we go. I can even start writing all sorts. I can highlight and use normal format tools. Okay, all sorts here. And there's lots of options that I can have. I can change. If I just view my ruler, when you click on the shape, you do get margins inside. But I don't know about anybody else. I find sometimes them hard to deal with. So in the Shape tab, you can click on these little corner items, the little, I call them notches there, or buttons, whatever. And they show a pane with usually 2 options. So shape options and text options. If I go into my text options, I have 3 options within there. I'm going to go into the text box itself because the shape is really a text box with a shape in it. That's it. And I can go through and choose vertical alignment, text direction, etc. You can even have columns, but what I'm concerned with here is margins. Okay, and I can reduce the size of the margins within. Now this means that if you've got a lot of text to go in, it gets closer to the edges. The only time I find difficulty is not with like the rectangles or squares. It's when I'm trying to, say, insert something like the other day I was looking at circles, and actually I wanted only the text in half the circle, but because it's a circle is kind of rounded, you're not getting part of the corner, it doesn't like some of the margins, right? Same with, say, triangles. If I just type my, whoops. Okay, so you can see here it's, I'm at 0 top margin. So it's not letting me go right to the top of the T. So in those cases, if I wanted text up there, then I either have to do something else or I would add the text box in. But personally, I would then group them together. Now, if you would like to learn how to group them, then do please put that in the comments below, and I can create a video showing you how to group and ungroup multiple items. Also, if you think this is useful, then do put a comment about how you're going to use it. And do click on that thumbs up button, please. I do appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more videos, then do click on that subscribe button. Okay, I'll put a link to the playlist for PowerPoint Not sure, it'll be at one side of me and that. And so if you'd like to watch more of my videos, do click on those. Thank you so much and have a really great day. Bye for now.